Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of your vehicle's maintenance routine: brake lubrication.
And let me tell you, we found the holy grail of brake lubricants.
Permatex 24125 Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant.
This stuff isn't just good.
It's the best brake lubricant available, bar none.
And in this video, we're going to tell you exactly why.
So, what makes Permatex 24125 Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant stand out from the competition?
Let's break it down. First off, it's formulated with a 100% synthetic blend, fortified with real ceramic solids.
This isn't your run-of-the-mill grease. It's engineered for extreme performance under the most critical braking conditions.
Plus, it's resistant to moisture, corrosion, and contaminants.
Say goodbye to lubricants that wash out with the slightest hint of rain. Permatex Ceramic Extreme holds its ground, ensuring your brakes stay silent and smooth, no matter the weather. But here's where it gets really impressive. This stuff works in temperatures ranging from a bone-chilling -50 degrees Fahrenheit to a blistering 3000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, you heard me correctly. Whether you're driving through the Arctic tundra or cruising the scorching desert, Permatex Ceramic Extreme has your back.
And let's talk longevity.
This lubricant lasts longer than your average grease, outperforming traditional caliper greases and brake-quiet products. That means fewer applications, fewer headaches, and more time enjoying the open road. So, there you have it, folks. Permatex 24125 Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. It's not just good, it's the best.
With its synthetic formula, unmatched temperature resistance, and unbeatable longevity, it's a game changer for anyone serious about their vehicle's maintenance. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products you need to know about.
Until next time, happy driving.